Genghis Khan conquered the world on horseback, but what if he had something faster? We gave his Mongol Horde a modern army, armored vehicles instead of horses, satellite phones instead of smoke signals, drones instead of scouts. The AI ran the simulation. Europe, the Middle East, all of Asia fell in 12 months. His genius for strategy combined with modern technology was unstoppable. The world didn't just have a new emperor. The world had only one. The greatest conquests are born from the greatest plans. To help you master your own goals, we created a free digital planner, The Emperor's Decree. The link is in the description. Some men conquer nations, others conquer the entire world. Subscribe to see what happens next. As the dust settled across the conquered lands, Genghis Khan's forces embraced their new tools of war. With every battle won, his reputation grew, instilling fear and respect throughout the regions. The technology allowed for lightning-fast communication, coordinating attacks that overwhelmed even the most fortified cities. No longer bound by the limitations of the past, his legions surged forward, unstoppable and relentless. Resistance crumbled before his strategic genius, leaving nothing but whispers of rebellion in their wake. As the world watched in awe, one question remained: what new empire would rise from the ashes of defiance?